Hi, it's Wesley from Jamie and Wesley's YouTube channel. We did a, what was it? Pennywise the Clown look on Ray Ray, and people really liked that, so we decided to do a Coco look on Ray Ray is Mama Imelda, and she is Miguel. This is Aloma.
I'm not Miguel.
No, but that's who you are.
Yeah, that's who you are. Oh, wait.
This is Aloma Jean. She's playing Miguel. This is
which is the boy, by the way.
Ray Ray, and she's playing
Mama Imelda.
Mama Imelda. I did the makeup on both of them, and yeah. So they're gonna tell you what their favorite things are about the movie and talk about the movie a little bit. So, all right, let's get to it.
Hi. Wait, is it on?
Yep.
You can edit that. See this hair right? No, Miguel isn't bald. He just sounds like, oh, I look hideous.
Okay, what's your favorite part?
Okay, my favorite part is when Dante was looking at a skeleton and he was looking all over him, and then he chased him because he was made out of bones. My favorite part was when the guy, he was singing with his guitar, then a huge bell was on top of him, and then it just fell, and then he died, and then the boy just said, I want to be just like him when I grow up. It was so funny. That means he wants to die with a bell.
And who was your favorite character in the movie?
The dog. My favorite character is Miguel.
What do you think the meaning of the story was? Go ahead, Dylan.
The meaning of the story was people that died in your life are always with you. Dang it, that's what I was gonna say.
Okay.
No, it wasn't.
Okay.
No.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata.